Okay, so let's talk about credibility. Whenever we're researching, whether it's on a database or using Google, which I know a lot of us do, and that's fine, we need to figure out how to tell if a source is credible or not credible. All right, so what I want you to do just to start off is discuss what does a credible source look like? How do you know it's credible? And what does an untrustworthy source look like? How do you know it's untrustworthy? So just take a minute and discuss. So hopefully some of the things you brought up when talking about a credible source is that it's coming from a proven source, okay? A proven expert in the field, a proven reputable website, okay? Very well researched information, and unbiased, or as unbiased as possible. I'm going to be talking about bias a lot, and hopefully you're familiar with this term. Bias is going to be in everything that you read, but you need to be aware of it, and you need to be very sensitive to identifying bias. Okay, the best research papers are going to be having a balanced resources. And I'm going to get more into that in just a second, in a couple slides from now. Okay. The opposite side of credibility, of course, is going to be an untrustworthy resource. So typically what these look like are, it's unproven information, okay? It's not coming from an expert in any field. It's not thoroughly researched or backed up, and it is biased. Biased to the point where it's actually twisting the information it's giving off, okay?